Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Andobil bike phone mount. Oh, super stable and anti-shake. It's an universal motorcycle or bicycle handlebar cell phone holder. It is compatible with I think nearly all the entire world of modern smartphones. For example, with the iPhone 12 Pro, the 12 Mini, the 12 Pro Max, the 11 SE, Samsung Galaxy phones, Note phones, Huawei, etc., etc., etc. And it comes with an anti-shake and super stable design. The Andobil bike phone mount has anti-slip rubber pads, stable support shelf, and the improved rubber belt offers secure grip for our cell phone to ensure safer cycling. The smartphone will securely stay in the bike holder like a baby without any shaking, which won't distract our phone from dropping on the floor, of course, and it will not disturb us from cycling. So the Andobil bike cell phone holder could work well for us in extremely harsh environments. With the help of the conquer all kinds of terrain and natural environments, it makes us a true warrior. Number one, adjustable foot design. The good old foot design. Andobil Products Manager designed the first adjustable foot of bike phone holder on AMI. For example, avoid sound cell phone power or volume button will be squeezed by the clamp arm. It's compatible for all smartphones from 4 up to 7 inches. And this is a big range, as you can see, such as an iPhone 12 up to 12 Pro Max, or the Samsung Note 20, S20, Note 10, Note 10 Plus, etc. No prop for it, and it comes with 5 seconds to install. It's easy and quick installation without tools. The clip size is adjustable. The innovative clip makes it very easy to attach or detach handlebars of any size, such as bicycles, motorcycles, even e-bikes, for example. No prop for it. Simply attach it to the handle and screw the nut tight. And it's extreme flexibility. 360 degree of rotation and pivoting the ball joint gives us the ideal viewing angle and allows a quick switch in between portrait and landscape view. Thanks to the 360-degree swivel head, our phone can be oriented to portraits, landscapes, or any angle in between. And the Andobil insists of making high quality products and always puts the customer's experience in the first place and everything in consumer centric. If this is the best, I think it is, because your smartphone holds really good in position. Plus, you will fix it by using it 360 degrees rotatable, and on top you can use your smartphone nearly on each area of your smartphone, and you can make videos and photos with it while it is installed into this host system. It's really easy, and it's an ultimate bike phone mount. Accompany we on every journey will it go with us. It comes with a unique design and it's super durable. Oh yeah. They have adapted advanced composite materials in the manufacture of this handlebar clamp. It is superior, solid, durable, and unbreakable. Nearly. We have to say goodbye to frequent replacement of our phone mount. With this product, that won't be necessary. Oh yeah. They use the aviation material PTFE on this bike phone mount. This cell phone holder for bikes works well in extremely hot or cold weather, from minus 40 degrees Celsius up to 90 degrees Celsius plus. That's awesome, isn't it? Yes, it is. In extreme weather, it will remain in good condition and works as excellently as in normal weather. It is the first one within the market that adapts these two advanced materials, so the Andobil bike cell phone holder quality is very reliable. The motorcycle phone holder clamp has a security clamp system that holds our phone super steadily. The silicone corner straps adds additionally safety for our phone by grabbing the four corners of the phone tightly. The handlebar clamp of the motorcycle phone mount grabs firmly on the handlebars. The locking system is reliable and stays tight on bumpy roads or high-speed highways. It is really easy. The handlebars is clamped, is very easy to install. We does not need any tool. The clamp can be easily fixed to the handlebar by hand. One step to clamp the phone by squeezing the two arms firmly. Then, one step to release the phone by pressing the quick release button. Job's done. We have an anti-slip adjustable knob and TPU soft rubber pad and a sturdy alloy materials built in. From minus 40 degrees Celsius up to 90. That's awesome. And it is 360 rotable. It's upgraded and adjustable clamp system. The clamp can be adjusted freely, fits most bicycles and motorcycle handlebars, and has TPU soft rubber pad with super cushion, anti-slip, firm and scratch-free format, and high-strength materials. PTFE, aviation materials, which made to withstand any condition, hot or cold. And if our mobile phone camera is in the upper left corner, we can even adjust the appropriate angle and record a video to record the whole process of our riding. And the clamp comes up to 1.75 inches, so it will match to bike, motorcycles, mopeds, scooters, for example, stroller 2 or treadmill. Everything is possible. It's compatible with iPhone 12, 12 mini, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, etc. It's compatible to Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, this is the bigger one, LG G8, G7, ThinQ, etc. Google Pixel 4, 4XL, 3XL, etc. And OnePlus 7 Pro, 6T in plus, and more. You will get what you will need. A phone mount base, a handlebar clamp, and two silicone straps. You can choose what you like because of the color. The materials are the same, and it is awesome for everyone who likes to ride on two wheels. This is the Andobil bike phone mount, super stable and anti-shake function. It is a universal motorcycle bicycle handlebar for a cell phone. It's a holder which is compatible with the most smartphones out there. Here you can see how it works, and it looks really nice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.